Guys, this is 2012 MAZDA CX5. So I'm going to do today, going to replace the fuel filter. You can see the fuel filter. It's like this. Okay. We need to open the back seat. You can see in here the 14 mil bolt and another 14 mil on that side. Okay, bolt. Another two. Okay, we off the seat, then lift up. Guys, we put out the seat, put sideways, so like that. So in here, you can underneath the carpet, you have to pull out the carpet. Okay, here's the location of the fuel filter. So you have the screw in there, and you take it off. Okay. Okay, here's the fuel filter location. This is fuel filter. You have to screws in here, you take it out. Stuck. Okay, a lot of dust. These are lines, connector. Okay, going to lift up this one. The both side locks in there. Okay. The plate. Okay. Okay, we're going to off the sender unit. Push up, push this way. And two connectors. wear some pin in there. Okay, this pin I put the one cross mark in here, side. So pin. Right, now take it out these notches, another one in here. Okay, it's inside. Okay, you can see the stainer is completely blocked. Off this part, so it's coming new one. Okay, now we're going to push down these clips. All the one same time. Okay, here's the stainer. Now push back to the pump, fuel pump. Okay, see the fuel pump. And off the regulator. Okay, here's a regulator. It's come 2 O-rings. And you can see the inside is very dirty feel. So good. You have to throw this one. You can see how bad for the inside. So dirt inside feel. Okay guys, we're going to install the new filter. So I'm using the same O-ring. Okay, and I put the little bit grease on it here. Okay, the connector off. Later you can see that hole inside one. You have to line up this O-ring. Okay, it's easily nicely go inside. The regulator same as to don't change earrings. Put the grease on it a little bit. That's it. Okay, I put the stainer. I cleaned that one. This too is going to here. Okay, now press it. It's locking all the way. Alright, make sure all this line is secure. This one, all good. After that you can put in the clamp. in here. Oops. Okay, good. Lock here. Turn. I'm going to put back to the here. One lock in here. This one going in here. So then after you can go back the spring in here. Alright, put the new lock in here. Okay. Turn. Pump cable. Make sure it's tight. Okay, push down. That's it. Hang on the wiring. First this one. Plug in. Okay, nicely put the wiring of this notch. All good. Now going to put back to the vehicle. Okay guys, we're going to put it back to the vehicle. The awning back in. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay guys, now to put back with the clip. This in, push in, that's all. Grab the connector. Alright, we're going to start the car. Okay guys, car is running fine. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.